What's up you guys? So welcome back to another video from beautiful Izmir, and yet sunny. Look at that beautiful sky right there, but unfortunately it's not gonna stay like that for too long. Today it is supposed to be raining. We're lucky we've still got some sun, so I think we got a couple of hours or 3 hours, something like that. We're gonna try and explore a few more parts of this beautiful city, so let's go. Right guys, so before we get into the Kulturpark here in Izmir, because that's what we're gonna explore, we went and checked out how to get tomorrow to the autogar, because today is going to be our last day here in Izmir. Tomorrow we are leaving and we are going to the beautiful city of Kuşadası. So if you are in Izmir and you are traveling by coach and use the company called Camil Coach, then you will be able to use their free shuttle to get around and go to the autogar. That's what we did right now. We went to one of their offices here next to our hotel and asked them about the time of the shuttle, and they said that at 11:20 it leaves from the front of their desk, the office I mean, and it goes straight to the autogar. That is really good for us because it's gonna save us some money. We don't have to pay for taxi the same way we did when we came back. Although when we came from the autogar to the hotel, we could have taken the shuttle, but we had to wait 1 hour, which is pretty long. But right now we know the exact time, so we're gonna be here to take it for free to the autogar, and we're saving 50 or 60 Turkish lira. That's really good. Right, we're in, and we don't really know that much about this park, but we're gonna go around. We actually read online that it has a really nice palm tree line along the path, so we're gonna check that out. It is on the map as well. Palmieler should be this park right here.
Dates, I think.
Got dates. Nice.
Huh?
Or
I
not
don't know
dates.
what it is.
We'll see. We're obviously gonna share it with you. Look at the shape of this palm tree. Oh, there are parrots. Nice. So there are parrots in the palm trees. It's got such a nice vibe, subtropical, something like that, right? With the palm trees and everything. It's actually really cute. And the name is Kulturpark, which pretty much I think it translates to culture park, right? You should. Also guys, don't be misled by the fact that I'm wearing a thicker jacket and Ioana's wearing a jacket as well. There's still 21 degrees Celsius outside. I'm actually pretty warm. It is really nice, but I obviously had to prepare in case it starts raining or it becomes windy. It's not windy at all actually. No wind at all. But it's really nice. It feels really good being the 31st of October when we film this, so it's almost November, and 21 degrees. And it's gonna get hotter, by the way, this weekend in Kuşadası, where we're going next. By the way, make sure you stay tuned. We're gonna have 26-27 degrees Celsius, so I think I'm gonna go for a swim. We hope we're gonna be able to. Yeah, we hope it doesn't change, but hopefully we'll be able to go for the swim. Will you go with me?
You, not me.
Will you not go with me? She won't go with me. I'll go alone. She's gonna film me though. Guys, we found this tree and we can see the fruits, and we don't really know, is this a mandarin
Mandarin?
or lime tree?
No, it's a mandarin.
I'm saying this is a lime tree.
Clementine.
Or clementine? Ioana saying it's a mandarin or clementine because they turn yellow. I'm not 100% sure. Orange. I think she might be right, but don't tell her. What's going on? You're wearing 2 pairs of glasses. Is that the spare one? In case that one breaks, you've got the other one. So cute. Look at these guys. Oh, you're pretty, aren't you? Come here. Come here. Oh, look at you. Fortunately, I don't have any food, but you're so pretty. You are so pretty. It is so nice how they really take care of their animals, especially the cats. There are loads of cats in Turkey, wherever we go. So we've only got about 2 that way. There's one behind us on the bench. There's one behind Ioana. There's plenty of them. But the people really take care of them. They give them food, they give them water, which is really nice. And the dogs as well. They help the dogs as well. And I think they have a strategy. They keep the cats in order to hunt the mice, right? The mice, I mean. I think so. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, it's really nice. And some of them are really, really cute. Look at these guys. Put on some clothes, dude. Whoa, guys, look at these palm trees. They're so tall and slender as well. Wow. I've never seen anything like this. Have you? Wow. By the way, guys, so we forgot to give you a spending update, as this morning we spent some money. We went and bought a coffee from McDonald's, surprisingly. we chose a flat white each. A small flat white was actually pretty good because they have McCafe separate from the restaurant itself, and it was quite alright. It was 6 Turkish lira per person, so we paid a total of 12. Was it 6 or 7 or 8? No, it was 8. It was 8 Turkish lira per person, and that is 16 Turkish lira in total, which is this much in British pounds. I don't know about you, but I feel like I'm in the jungle. Look at those beautiful trees right there. That's nice. It looks like some kind of Sri Lanka vibe, something like that. You've been to Sri Lanka with many YouTube channels. Like the guys are watching now, they are here with us, right? Look at that, guys. Just for you. We've also got the fun fair, guys. I think we're gonna check that out a little bit later. We might, because Ioana wants to. You guys know what this is? Or was? Could it be like bungee jumping or something like that? Okay, so we came onto the other side, and I think this is a place where you could get training for parachuting or something like that. I think so. Am I right? You let us know, please. And we're back outside the park. It was really interesting, really nice to see so many palm trees. Pretty beautiful. And right now it is supposed to start raining. Hopefully it won't, because we're trying to see one more place in Izmir, because as I said, today it's our last day. So we're gonna go to the Asansor, which is pretty much an elevator, because there's a part with big difference in altitude. So we're gonna check that out. Hopefully the weather will permit. Look, guys, this is what I was talking about. This is a clothing store. They've got a cat right here. And she's so cute. And she's just literally just standing there. Nobody bothers her, which is really, really nice. By the way, spending update, we've got 2 croissants, 1 ayran and some biscuits, and we paid 10.65 Turkish lira, which is this much in British pounds. I think it's 80 pence, something like that. But I'm gonna put it on the screen right now. Now, how cool is this? you've got a place to sit on, so you can sit with your bum right there and your feet right there, or your feet on the other side. There's nothing underneath, and you can enjoy this beautiful view right there. The agency is that way, and this is just the Gulf of Izmir. You can see both sides. Well, you can't see it because of the fog, I'm guessing, but it's really nice, this right here. We made it to the elevator, and now we're just waiting because obviously there's going to be a queue. It is free to use to go up. Nice. Right, so let's tell the people what is the deal with the Asansor, with the elevator. I mean, it was built in 1907 by a Jewish philanthropist.
Yes.
Right, Levi.
I forgot his name.
Yeah, and he built it for the old people, yeah, for the elders and children as well as pregnant women. And what else was there? What is the difference in here it was 40 meters difference from the bottom to top, and he wanted to tackle the climb of the 155 steps, something like that. There you go, that's proper information right there. And we've got also a nice viewpoint. Hey, I think we can see it from here. Let's see. At least we can see the sea. See the sea. That's nice anyway. It is foggy, but on the other side we can see the mountain, and it's pretty nice, to be honest, right? Now we're gonna take the stairs back down, and that should be pretty much it. And we were lucky, guys, it didn't start raining. It's still nice. It's almost 3 o'clock. It was supposed to be raining, but look at that beautiful sky. Turkey impresses us pretty much every day. With good news like this, no rain means really good for us, really good timing. Let's go down. I gotta be careful to the stairs because they're uneven. Be careful. Right, spending update. We have spent another 5 Turkish lira on some nice simit. I think I've got one sweet and one has got one savory. I think I've got it sweet. I'm not 100% sure how sweet it is, but we're gonna try it now anyway. How is your simit? The one on simit is pretty good. It's better than mine. Mine is not sweet. It's got a layer of something there, but it's not sweet. It's all right. It's all right. It's like a croissant somehow, that type of dough, but the one is nice. And we're back at the hotel, guys. It was pretty nice. It is still quite early. It's 4 o'clock. We have stopped at McDonald's again to buy 2 cups of chai, tea, and we paid another 4 Turkish lira for that. And this is how much we spent so far. And I don't think I'm actually pretty sure we're not going to spend anything else because we already have food in our fridge down there, and we're gonna eat that. We're gonna stay indoors because tomorrow we live in. We are going to edit some videos to post them for you guys to see them, and we are also gonna pack for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're traveling to Kuşadası. That's really nice. I think it's pretty much our first town which is more touristy. Çanakkale was touristy and Istanbul obviously, but I mean seaside touristy. You know, people coming to the beach and stuff like that. I think it's going to be nice. So make sure you stay tuned, guys. But with that being said, if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel with the notification button on so you don't miss any of our future videos. And guys, let's discover Turkey together in the next one. Bye.